Hello everyone, it's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations, and look what's painting today. It is the Doily Embellishment Kit from Miss Rosie, Rosie's Craft Shack. She said I probably wouldn't get it till tomorrow, and I told her I could possibly get it today. I always tend to get mail early, so I did get it today. So I wanted to come on right away and share it with you and let you see all of the goodies you're going to be getting in this amazing kit. So let me go ahead and get it open. I know the first opening's a little noisy, so get it on the end here. Rosie always puts it in a beautiful bag, and it's always packaged so nicely. So let's see what we got here. This. Oh, and look at the pretty bag. Okay, so this is the bag. And it's it's all sewn with this gorgeous stitch on here. I'm not sure which stitch that is. I do have it on my sewing machine as well. I know you probably, oh, there you go. So it is all stitched already, and I'm guessing this is to decorate as well. And then you put your embellishments in it. So that is wow, that is just a beautiful bag. It's like a little envelope bag. All right. Oh, sorry guys, I just had a crash. I almost spilled all my coffee. All right, so then we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gorgeous white doilies. And for some reason, I thought this was going to be little when she said embellishment kit. But these are beautiful sized doilies. And you can always cut out the center one and use the back one with something on top of it. And then use the center one as well. So you have, what did I say, 6 of those? 2, 4, 6 of those. And then you have these beautiful, these are more of a taupe, however you say it, taupe, probably taupe. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of those as well, and I will show you one. These are beautiful. I love this crochet stitching, the style on here like this. This is fairly tiny crochet thread that this is done with. You can just see the difference in the two doilies in the different type of thread that was used. So this is really pretty. I love these. And then you have the connectors. So there's 2 connectors. These are really pretty. Love those. And then you get the this is batting, or no, this is it's not felt. It's not batting unless it's like a different kind of batting. I'm used to it being in a big bunch. But you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So these make 6 when you're using 2, or you can make 12 singles. It's up to you. So you put this down and you can put that in between and then put another one on top of it. Okay, gorgeous doilies. Got all that covered. Look at the beautiful bag. Oh, merci. God, I can't even talk today. Merci beaucoup. Oh, I see more in here. Oh, this is the little something. This is a flower. Rosie did not make these. These were given to her by Kateri Burnett from Kateri's Crafty Ideas. And Kateri was getting rid of a bunch of them, so she gave them to Rose. So they are from Rose, but they are not made by Rose. So she gave everybody one of these gorgeous doily flowers. That is really pretty. That's just kind of like rolled over. I like the way that's done. Oh, these are all little, yeah, it's got little triangles in there, but it's like rolled over. That's really pretty, and it's got a pin in it. So that's your little something. Aw, that's going right back in the bag. All right, and then we have, of course, I love these bags. I always say it every time I get one with stuff in it. Let's see what we got here. Maybe I should bring you guys in just a little bit closer because I'm not staring at the screen. So let's see here. All right, I already see something I love because I see purple. All right, so we're going to go from the back side up. So you get this gorgeous piece of fabric. Isn't that beautiful? And it's shimmery. You can tell the parts that are really shimmery. And as I was telling you guys before, if you dye fabric like this, these two are going to come up different colors. And it's really pretty. So you have that one. Let's fold it in threes. Oh, my fingers are sticking to everything. And then you have this one in a, this almost looks like she tea dyed it or coffee dyed it, one of the two. I'm not sure, or it came like this, but that's what it looks like. See the color? It looks like it's tea dyed or coffee dyed. It's super soft. And again, it's got two different types of stitching, but that is beautiful. So you get a piece of that. So I'm going to put this one back. And then you get a piece of this lace. Isn't that beautiful? Love the design in that. And a piece of this lace. This is for your envelope bag, I'm guessing, to decorate it. And then you get this gorgeous pink one. This is like a vintage pink to me. It's not a bright pink. It's almost like a rosy pink. It's really pretty. It's not quite coming through the color it is on screen. It's looking more peachy on screen, but it is a beautiful pink. And then you get one of these. Beautiful. I love that. And one of these. All stuff to decorate your doilies or your bag. This one. And you will see Rosie on her channel doing the tutorial and showing you how she puts hers together. And that one. And, oh, I like this one. This one's got two different colors. It's got a different color running through the center of it. That's beautiful. I don't know if you guys can. Oh, yeah, you can. Isn't that beautiful? That one. And, oh, my goodness. This one. So you can use the two little circles, or you can use that part, or you can use it together. And love this one because I love sequins. This one with the pearls. And I would be careful if you're going to cut it apart. I would glue in between each one of these because the pearls and sequins are sewn on in one long strand. So if you want to cut this, I would glue in between here before you cut, and then you don't have to worry about it falling apart. So that's that one with the beautiful pearls and the sequins. Love that. Okay. And then, oh, you get a piece of this beautiful pink dangly one. And this is a Venice one right here. That one. And this is one of my favorite trims. And it's very shiny. Love this too. So I'll be great for, I would use all this right here to decorate the bag. And then this one. And again, you can dye any of these if you would like. Oh, and then you get two of these. Love these. Aren't they cute? Look at how cute that is. Aw. So you get two of those. I don't want to lose anything. And then you get this beautiful piece. And there's the front. And this has bugle beads and pearls in different sizes on it. Beautiful. So that's that. And my phone was just bleeping at me because it's always when I'm on here that my phone decides it wants to talk to me. I don't know why it can't talk to me any other time. What am I doing here? Sorry, I'm just trying to read. I will catch that in a second. Oh, what is up with... My phone just did an update, so... All right, which one do I want to open? This one, this one. They're all so pretty like this. Aren't they pretty? Okay. Let's see. Love all these in here. See, these I would use for the doilies. So you have this beautiful pink one. It's like a satin ribbon. And I'm never going to get them back in the bag the same way. It just never works out like that. And then, ooh, this is that favorite style of one that I love. And this is, and totally love this, the colors. That is beautiful. Haven't seen that one like that. And it's even a different type of material. That's gorgeous. Love that. So you get 2 of those. And then you get one like this. And it's got like an AB thread running through it. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. That's really pretty. And then this one with the little itty bitty pom-poms. That's really pretty. Ooh, and this one, which has, oh, it's like a twist, but it's got a shiny one, and then again, that type of cording I keep talking about. That's what it is. It's a cording, but it's got a shiny one and then like a satiny one running together through it. And then you get some string pearls. And these are, I'm not quite sure what color this is, an off-white, a cream color? Cream. I'm going to say cream. And then you get this beautiful one. And of course, we know we can cut all of these apart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's really pretty. And it's 2 different color pinks, and it's not quite what it's showing you. It's not a red. And then you get this one, which is really pretty. And this is almost like pinks and purples, or not quite sure the colors, but it's beautiful. And you get a piece of that. And these can all be cut apart as well. See, I would use this on the doilies, but I could be wrong. It could be the other way around for all I know. So let's get this back in the bag because I don't want to lose any of this. Get in there. See, it's just not going to be as neat as I got it. All right. And then we have this one. Oh my goodness. See if I can get it out. I want to see that picture. Oh, and it's like a stamp. Isn't that beautiful? It says Life's Journey on it. Of course, the flowers are purple, and it's like 2 little postcards. And then a mulberry flower. And a paper flower. And like a satin flower with pearl sprays. That's what's in that one. I like the way she separates everything like this. Okay. Get back in there. Get back in there. All right. And then this one, and I see purple in here too. This is like the goodie bag. So yeah, this to me is the stuff to do the doilies with. All right, let's get it all out. So I have these 2 beautiful pictures, and they're both purple flowers. Love those. And this beautiful applique, and it is a Venice. And some connector pieces. 2 of that one, 2 of this one. So we've got 4 connector pieces. Get that back over here. And then this beautiful piece. That again is a crochet in a light beige or taupe. I want to keep saying taupe, and it's taupe. And then a rolled rose. It's very flat. And then 2 of these flowers and a loopy flower. And then all kinds of goodies, fleur-de-lis, which is Rosie's favorite. And then this with the little stone in the center. And some charms. Love the charms. Those are gorgeous. And then a bow. Oh, let's move it away as I show it so you guys can see. Bow and a flower and a key. Those are all the same. And then, ooh, these are like matte buttons. Like they have a matte finish on them. So, of course, mine are purple. Not sure what color yours will be. Mine are purple. And then that one. And some more various buttons to use to decorate your doilies or your envelope bag. I'm going to call it an envelope bag because it's a little bag and it's shaped like an envelope. And then this little bitty metal flower on jump ring so you can hang it and make a charm. And then that one and a red one. Now, any of these you can change the colors with, ladies, if you have alcohol inks. So all of those. And all those colors kind of go with all the colors you got. And this, all the colors that you received. Man, I need to learn to talk. And then you can cut these little flowers apart. And another button and a little clothespin. And mine is purple. So those are all the goodies that you can use to decorate either your doilies or your bag. You know, I'm sure it's however you want to make it. So it's up to you. You can use anything on whatever thing you want to use it on. There's no right way and there's no wrong way. That's what's nice to see how differently everybody makes theirs. So those are all the wonderful goodies that come with the Doily Embellishment Kit. And I'm going to put them all out here just so that way I can take a picture of everything. And your bag with all your trims and your batting and of course your bag. So that is the Doily Embellishment Kit. So I can't wait till everybody gets theirs. I'm not sure when Rosie's going on to make it. I'm sure she will let you know. So keep a lookout for that. And I can't wait to see what everybody creates with theirs. So again, this is the April kit, the Doily Embellishment Kit from Miss Rosie, Rosie's Craft Shack. Go check her out on YouTube. And you can see her kits and her bundles and all that wonderful stuff. So this will be the next project that everybody's working on. So I can't wait to see what everyone does. I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Don't forget to get out there and create something. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.